the Sonoma Coast, located in Northern California, known for its cool temperatures, gray skies, rugged water, and its overall beauty. And what we're all here for? It's cod fishing. Sonoma Coast. No one else is out here doing this. And give you guys a little preview of what we're working with. We're going to be going down to those fire rocks. And yeah, hoping to get on some cod. Let's get it. Come on. Yeah. We're always going to be able to escape. It's very important life tip there, guys. When you're rock fishing, make sure you got a way out. All right, we're gonna rig up and we're gonna come back. All right, let me reel up. All right, guys, Gary's got one. Let's see what we've got here. He's like, it's got a little. Oh yeah, flip it. Bring it up. Oh, that's a good one.
Hey now. Let's go, baby! That's a good ass cab. That is why we're here, boys. Go, baby. I know. Come on, take a big bite. Yep. Yeah, there you go. It's a fucking...
This little greenling was pretty small, second fish of the day, and we decided to throw it back.
I didn't feel any barbs or anything. Okay. Boom! One on the board. Way to go, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Got it. Yep. Yep. We're good. We're in weeds. Fucking go. Yep. Let's go, Gary. Let's fucking go. Yes. There we go.
Second fish of the day for Gary here. Here's that brown cod. Absolute beautiful fish. Just look at the patterns on that. Yeah. Going in the bucket. Let's get it.
All right. First stop, schoolhouse. Was it a success? Don't you think? Yeah, 3 fish landed, 2 keepers. I picked up some trash that's in that too. So a bit. But yeah, one nice cab, one nice brown.
Did we bring anything besides?
Yeah, I brought a can of tuna. I brought 1 can of tuna, and I'm like, fuck it. If it all goes to pot, we're gonna have a can of tuna and tacos.
But we're not. Thank the Lord, because I did not know about that. I would have brought like a protein bar or something.
No, yeah, just tuna.
We're recharging the GoPros here, so hopefully get some more battery in them.
One of the GoPros we're using is the GoPro 1.
Yeah, it's just the GoPro here. So that's a little OG right there. Yeah. We'll check in when we're there at the campsite. All right, so we are we walked down the trail, and then we found this rock. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. See that little point behind me there? That's where we're gonna walk our asses out to. So besides this cab, we ended up catching another greenling. We didn't get it on camera, but it was getting dark quick. It was really windy, and we still had quite a walk back to our campsite. So we headed back to our campsite, cook up these fish, clean them up, make some tacos, and then excited to get out there early the next morning.
Yeah! That's a nice fish.
This is what we're working with here, boys. 1 fish, 4 tacos. That's a beast right there. Throw on that sriracha mayo. Keep it simple. Enjoy the fish. Can't beat it. Crack of dawn.
Dallin woke up 6 minutes ago.
Woke up 6 minutes ago. We're packed up camp, tent, everything. We're in the car. It is 5:34 a.m. We're getting out there early, beating anyone to any spot. Day 2. Let's get it.
Oh! Fish. Yeah. Oh, it's so small. Let's go.
Here we pulled up another little greenling early in the morning. He was pretty small, so we decided to toss him back.
Right back to where you came from. Oh. Got one. It's actually pretty big too.
You saw it?
Yeah. Unless it's...
No. That's a fucking big greenling, dog.
Oh, crap. Let's go, baby.
That's a big ass greenling.
Oh, boys, look at that. First keeper of the trip. Freaking smoked it on the squid. On the squid. Almost home. We're on our way back.
Back in Petaluma, back with all the other people.
Yeah, fairly slow morning, but did get in 2 keepers in the early morning, so successful.
Kelp greenling.
Good,
That was a fatty.
good kelp greenling caught. A good. We will look in.
But
into
we're
it a little more.
exhausted. Now we gotta go back to our wives and girlfriends and try to
Yeah.
act like we're not tired.
Trying to act like we're not just cliff demons. Itching for the cliff. Until next time.
Which is gonna be hopefully Ocean Beach.
Next weekend. Ocean Beach. Perch incoming.